Hello, everyone. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Where are you guys logging in from? Hello, everyone. Hi, Miss Frenchie. Nice to see you. It's been some time. Hi, everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. My name is Patricia Elizee from the Elizee Law Firm. Bonsoir tout le monde, bonsoir, bonsoir, bienvenue. Nom c'est Patricia Elizee de cabinet Elizee Law Firm. Moi gen moun ki Miami, West Palm, so we have some South Florida people that are logging in today. Great. Hello La Familia, hello Richie. Hi everyone, New York. Hello Rafi, another family member. Nice to see you, my dear. Hello, welcome everyone. So as promised, Indiana. Nice. Hi from Indiana. There's a lot of Haitians in Indiana. Bienvenue, welcome. So today is August 10th, and I promised everyone that I would go live at 6:30 so that we can talk a little bit about this update from USCIS. So aujourd'hui, ça que nous pral discuter ces nouvelles informations que yo bay, que immigration bay de family reunification parole pour Haïtiens et pour Cubains. From Japan, Monsieur Jacques from Japan, hello, welcome. Gozaimasu, hello, very welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Bonsoir tout le monde, nom c'est Patricia Elizee. Patricia Elizee de cabinet Elizee Law Firm. Moi son avocat immigration, cabinet c'est Miami que lié, mais nous aider immigrants dans tout pays. So nous avons Haïtien qui est avec nous juste Japon. Hello, hello. I see Nicaragua is also tuning in. Great. So nice to see everyone. So even though we're based in Miami, we do help people from all over. We've helped people obviously in Haiti. We've helped people in the DR, in South Africa, in Europe. There's been a good number of people calling lately from Turkey, believe it or not. So I'm really excited to help people who need some information to kind of get in contact with us. Thank you so much. So as promised, we're going to be discussing the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program as well as the Cuban Family Reunification Parole Program. If anyone needs additional information or needs a one-on-one session, you guys already know. Please make sure to get in contact with us directly through the firm. You guys could go on my profile, you could go on my website, or you could give me a call, and I pinned the phone number 305-371-8846. So nous connaissons déjà, nom c'est Patricia Elizee, nous sommes avocat immigration, et jeudi nous allons discuter nouveau information sur le programme Family Reunification Parole. Mais si nous besoin de contacter moi, s'il vous plaît, nous te mettre relais 305 371 88 46, numéro en bas en comment yo, ou bien nous call online on my profile, na sur website là nous ka envoyer un message. Okay, so let's get right into it, shall we? So as you guys know, the last live that I did, I believe was a few weeks ago, was about the Colombian, El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras Family Reunification Parole Program. Okay, so that parole program is for nationals of those countries. And that parole program is currently 100% active. As of July 31st, 2023, immigration has already sent invitations for those programs. Now, we were waiting for updates for the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program as well as the Cuban Family Reunification Parole Program. And we finally got a little bit of an update this morning. According to USCIS, the Cuban and Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program will begin very soon, but it has not begun yet. So, moi, je vais très clair avec nous, m'a répéter ça encore, parce qu'il y a un pile question que nous recevoir est-ce que m'a bénéficié, qui côté pour m'envoyer application, so faut moins très clair, ou connaît moins toujours clair avec nous. Noir sous blanc. Pour Family Reunification Parole Program là, immigration poko commencer avec haïtien. Nouvelle que yo bay jodi, c'est que pour y a changé programme là pour que yo moderniser programme là. Qui veut dire les que programme là commencer c'est online que n'a pas obligé faire. So nous pas qu'à faire façon que yo te fait avant c'est online. Même façon que mon a fait programme Biden là, c'est même façon qu'on pour yo faire Family Unification Parole mais yo poko commencer pour haïtien et yo poko commencer pour cubain. Okay? Very, very important. The announcement that was made this morning by USCIS is that the Family Unification Parole Program for Haitians and for Cubans is being modernized, which means that petitioners will be able to file applications for their family members to enter through parole online in a very similar manner that they are currently doing it through the Biden Humanitarian Parole Program. However, the Family Unification Parole Program has not yet started yet for Cubans and Haitians. Very important. So if you have someone who's pressuring you, or if you have someone who's telling you the program has started, let them know that Attorney Elizee said that is not the case. It has not. It will start soon, but it has not started yet. The only programs that are currently 100% active with family reunification, which is different from humanitarian Biden parole, is the Colombian, El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. Haiti and Cuba, very, very soon, they will make an announcement, but they have not yet done so. Okay? So let's talk a little bit about what's the difference between a regular humanitarian Biden parole and this family-based parole that's going to be for Haitians and Cubans. The big difference is for the family-based parole, you need to have an approved I-130, okay, with USCIS, which means there needs to be a U.S. citizen or a green card holder who already filed for you to get a green card. That I-130 petition needs to be already approved. That's number one. Number two, USCIS or the National Visa Center will send either an email or a letter to the petitioner so that they can take advantage of this program. So I'm going to say this again, and I will say it in Creole so that everyone understands, and I will reinforce it. To take advantage of this program, you need to have an approved I-130, and you also need to have an invitation letter be sent to the USCIS or to the U.S. citizen or the lawful permanent resident petitioner. Okay? So, pour programme Family Unification Parole, son parole qui basée sous un I-130, une pétition qui était faite pour déjà, une pétition qui approuvée. Pour que nous participions dans le programme ça, et encore programme ça pour Haïtiens, il y a pas commencé. Annonce que immigration fait aujourd'hui, c'est que il a modernisé le programme là. Même gens que tout le monde qui a fait Biden, c'est online pour yo faire, et mes programmes ça tout, c'est online en uscis.gov que n'a fait li. Mais, yo poko commencé avec li pour Haïtiens. Pour que nous participer, premièrement, là yo commencé, faut que nous gagnions un I-130 petition, on demande pour résidence qui approuvé déjà, ok? Et faut que the petitioner, qui veut dire citoyen américain ou bien résident qui demande résidence pour vous, faut que vous joignent une invitation. Okay? Alors, what is the most important thing you can do right now? If you are a national of Haiti, Cuba, Colombia, El Salvador, Guatemala, or Honduras, and you want to participate in this Family Reunification Parole Program that has already started or will start for you, the most important thing you can do right now is to communicate with the petitioner so that the petitioner can confirm with immigration that immigration has their current address and their current email on file. Why is that? Because when they send the invite, they will send it to the email on file if the email's not working, or you're not checking your email, or you're not getting it for some reason because there was a mistake on the email and the one that they have on file. Or if there's no email, they will send a letter. If you've moved, if the petitioner has moved and never receives a letter, you will not be able to participate. So the most important thing you can do right now, if you are interested in participating in the family unification parole programs available, is to make sure that the petitioner's current email and current address is up to date with the National Visa Center. Alors, moun ki intéressé pour yo ta participer dans programme ça, qui the Family Unification Parole Program, qui poko disponible pour Haïtiens, ok, moi sûr dans quelques semaines la disponible, mais pour l'instant, jodi, elle est poko disponible. Ça qui est plus important pour nous faire, c'est the petitioner, qui veut dire moun qui te file résidence là pour nous. Faut que nous sûr que moun sa contacte immigration pour que yo ka confirmer que immigration gen email yo, nouveau email que gen kounyen dans dossier yan, et que gen adresse yo. Parce que si yo voye un email et puis email n'a pas marché, ou bien yo voye un adresse mais moun n'a pas l'adresse ça, nous pas ka participer dans le programme là. Okay? Just want to make sure that everyone is super clear about that. Right now, the most important thing is to make sure that your information is up to date, because the National Visa Center and USCIS, they have not yet sent invites for Cuba and Haiti, but they did send invites for Colombia, El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. Okay? Now, who is not able to participate? This is very, very important. If you are an immediate relative, you will not be able to participate in this program. Si ou fait partie de catégorie qui est immediate relative là, ok? Ou malheureusement ou pas qu'à participer dans le programme ça. Qui est-ce qui fait partie de catégorie immediate relative? The people who will not qualify are if you're married to a U.S. citizen, if you're a child under the age of 21, or if you're a parent of a U.S. citizen. And I'll say that again. Immediate relatives will not be able to participate in the Family Reunification Parole Program. An immediate relative is if you're married to a U.S. citizen, if you're a child under the age of 21 of a U.S. citizen, or if you're a parent of a U.S. citizen. The reason that is because if you're part of that category, then a visa for a green card is immediately available to you. You should not be waiting as long as the other immigrants in the other categories. For example, if you are a sibling of a U.S. citizen, you'll be waiting very long. If you're married to a green card holder, or if you're above the age of 21, and it's your U.S. citizen parent who petitioned for you, you have some time to wait before you're able to get that visa. So if you're part of one of those categories that you have to wait for immigration to get to your priority date, then you will be able to participate in this program. Again, if you are not an immediate relative, which means you're not married to a U.S. citizen, you're not a parent of a U.S. citizen, and you're above the age of 21, and it's your parent who applied for you will be able to participate. So, en créole, moun ki pap ka participer dans programme ça, ok, c'est si ou marié avec un citoyen américain, si ou un mineur, et c'est parents, mineur qui veut dire moins de 21 ans, ok, ou bien si ou un parent dont citoyen américain. Si vous faites partie de catégorie ça, normalement, un visa disponible pour entrer avec résidence ou pas obligé de tout le temps que l'autre catégorie attend. But programme ça, c'est pour immigrants captain quelques années. Comme nous connaissons, il y a des gens captain 5 ans, 6 ans, 7 ans, 8 ans, 10 ans, même jusqu'à 15 ans. Puis yo gen possibilité pour yo joindre visa pour yo entrer avec une résidence la main yo. Programme ça c'est pour bénéficier catégorie moun sa yo. Okay. Alors, I do see that some questions are coming up. I will go back. I will try my best to go back and answer them. But I wanted to make sure to take some time to address the most important points for today, which is number one, immigration did make an announcement today about the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program as well as the Cuban Family Reunification Parole Program. That announcement is simply that it will be modernized, meaning that it'll have to be done online. And two, they have yet to send out the invitation letters. So we are not ready yet to double check and see if you will participate. The most important thing to do is to verify that the petitioner's contact information is current with USCIS so that once they do send out the first round of invites, that you will be notified and that you'll be able to participate. And to be, again, very clear, no, you cannot apply unless you have that invitation letter. Alors, pour que nous très clair, ok? Non, nous pas qu'à participer si nous pas joindre lettre de invitation ça. C'est pas un programme côté nous ka appliquer pour lui, faut que ou joindre une lettre d'invitation pour nous participer dans le programme ça qui est très important, ok? Alors encore, nom c'est Patricia Elizee, nous sommes avocat immigration, cabinet c'est Elizee Law Firm. Ça fait depuis 2012 que nous avons un cabinet côté que nous avons aidé les immigrants avec dossier. Et si vous voulez contacter le cabinet directement, nous mettrons les 305 371 88 46, 305 371 88 46 ou vous pouvez aller dans le profile que nous avons et nous avons un link côté que nous avons envoyé un message online. Merci beaucoup. So I see here, thank you very much for that information. Very clear. Thank you so much. I'm happy to, share the information, make sure it's clear. I know that it's, unfortunately with immigration can be very confusing and very daunting and very emotional. And some people can be very desperate and they cause, some anxiety. So it's great to know exactly what is available, what's not, so that you can make the right decision for you and your family, so that you're not tricked into doing something or paying for something that's not even available yet. So, c'est avec plaisir que moi participer message que moi information que moi joindre directement de immigration. De cette façon, nous-mêmes nous connaissons tout exactement qui ça qui est disponible pour nous, qui ça qui pas disponible, pour que nous pas vraiment tomber dans le piège, côté n'a payé moun fait de bail qui pas nécessaire pour nous, et que nous éduquer avec situation actuelle d'immigration. Okay? I see a question here. Can I apply for advanced parole? I was deported from Haiti. Can I apply for advanced parole I-134A? So anyone who's been deported from Haiti more than 5 years ago, you are able to apply for advanced parole. However, it is a discretionary immigration benefit. You are not guaranteed. So even if, for example, your petitioner is approved and you submit your information to USCIS and you're approved, CBP may deny your travel document out of their discretion. So the only way for you to know whether it's going to work, unfortunately, is to try. Okay? So if someone has an expired U.S. visitor visa, are they eligible for the Biden program? Of course, bien sûr. If someone has an expired U.S. visa, even if you have a current visa, so the visa has nothing to do with the parole program, right? The parole program, both of the parole programs, it doesn't matter whether you have a visa or not, you will be eligible to take part of the Biden humanitarian parole program or one of these family unification parole programs that are currently available. Okay, so great question. Chapeau 509. I hope that was useful. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is another great question. Does this mean that someone who has a friend who's American can take part of this program? Is it only for family members? Very great question. I think, Mr. Jacques, you're the gentleman that is in Japan, right? Am I correct? So very great question. If for the Haitian Family Unification Parole Program or the Cuban Family Unification Parole Program, can a friend apply for you? No, a friend may not apply for you because it's based on the I-130 that's approved, right? Which is completely different from the humanitarian parole. So for the family reunification parole program is going to be the petitioner, the person who has the I-130 that's approved, that's going to have to apply. While the humanitarian parole, which has nothing to do with a family relationship, anyone with legal status in the US may apply to you. Alors, question que nous te recevoir, c'est que pour un programme de family reunification parole, est-ce que c'est n'importe qui a qualifié pour y appliquer pour nous? Malheureusement, non. Parce que le programme, ça, c'est un programme vraiment côté que c'est à partir de I-130 qui a approuvé, hein, the petitioner, c'est lui-même qui peut faire application pour the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Programme pour nous entrer à travers de I-130 qui a approuvé déjà. C'est pas concours de Biden Humanitarian Parole. C'est deux programmes complètement différents. Okay? Great. Okay, let's see here. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope that this live is informative. Let's see. Just scrolling to get some questions. Oh, excuse me. Oh, just waving to some folks. Hi, everyone. I do want to take this opportunity to tell everyone about the webinar that we have coming up. It's going to be on August 30th at 6:30 p.m. And the webinar is going to be focused on what is your best available choice. Should you apply for adjustment of status, or should you go through consular processing? And I'll get into this more into the webinar, obviously. So we'll go to, okay, do you qualify to get your green card while you're physically in the U.S.? Should you take advantage of one of these family reunification parole programs or not? Should you wait to get your green card at the consulate abroad? What are the differences between these processes? What does it mean for you and your family? What are the different filing fees? So this is something that we're going to get into more detailed on our webinar. If you go on our link on our profile, you will be able to sign up for it, and also on our website. Alors, ma prend opportunité de ça pour m'inviter tout le monde. N'a fait une sorte de classe online, un webinar, côté que nous allons discuter différence entre qui leur façon pour jeune résidence pendant que ou aux États-Unis, façon pour jeune résidence pendant que ou en dehors des États-Unis, différence entre tous les deux, procédures, etc. Alors, si nous voulons éduquer tête nous et famille nous te mettre participer, link là, dans profile là. Okay, perfect. Great. So, if you are already in the U.S. under the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program is coming to an end, how can you renew it? So, this is really important because some people who were able to benefit from this program a few years ago, unfortunately, the parole expired before the green card became available, which means that they needed to extend their parole before they were eligible to adjust their status, because if they didn't, they would accumulate unlawful presence. So with USCIS, you have to file the application to renew your parole. So the Family Reunification Parole Program, the meaning behind it is so that your family member can come to the U.S. and wait the remaining amount of time before immigration gets to their priority date. At that time, the immigrant can apply for adjustment of status and get their green card physically here. Unfortunately, USCIS is not going to keep track of that priority date for you. It's up to you to do so. And if you miss your priority date, or if for some reason your parole expires before you're able to file or before you get that green card, then you're going to accumulate unlawful presence. So it's really important, if you enter under the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program, that you apply for USCIS to extend your parole before it expires, so that you are able to continue to have status in the U.S. So you may adjust status once your priority date is current. Okay? I hope everyone enjoyed this time that we had together. I am happy to answer any questions that you have. We will be doing some other videos. So any questions that you want me to reply to, make sure to send us a message. And just so that you guys know, I am not personally answering all of your questions on our Instagram. We do have a team that does that. So please be nice and patient with them. They will be able to help you guys, and they will let me know the questions that I should answer, and they will let you know and help you get in contact with the team at the law firm. I hope you guys have an amazing evening. Again, my name is Patricia Elizee from the Elizee Law Firm. It was a pleasure to share this information with you tonight, and I hope to hear from you soon. Encore, nom c'est Patricia Elizee, nous sommes avocat immigration, cabinet c'est Elizee Law Firm. Et c'était avec plaisir que je partage l'information avec nous à Soya. Si nous besoin contacter nous directement, nous te mettre les 305 371 88 46. Merci beaucoup et bonne nuit. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.